Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be smoking a tri-tip in our Sportsman Pit Boss. Stay tuned. So here you have it. We have a 2.4 pound tri-tip. Now, tri-tip is one of my top favorite steaks to do. Love tri-tip. Pretty much when we go to a steakhouse, if they have tri-tip, that's what I'm getting. Hands down, always. So I'm always excited to do tri-tip on the Pit Boss because they always come out really good. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of this fat out, and we're gonna trim it a little bit. I'm just gonna take the stuff from the top. Then we're gonna go ahead and turn it on the back side here and do the same. So today we're gonna be using the steak rub from Hogs. We got a little bit of vegetable oil here that we're gonna add as a binder all around. We're gonna go ahead and coat it very well. It's a nice thick piece of steak. So we want to get everything. The sides, get all the sides. Turn it back around. Oh yeah. And pat it in there. Make sure everything's covered. You got a lot of rub all over it. Alright, so how are we going to cook this? We're going to put this on our Pit Boss Sportsman at 250 degrees. At the end, we're going to sear it over fire to get that seared look, that seared taste too. Internal temp that we're going for the first stage before we sear it, we're looking at about 130. And then we're going to sear it after that. So we're going to put it in there and we're going to wait till it hits that 130. So let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. Alright, our Pit Boss is at 250. We're going to go ahead and put this in here. We're going to put a thermometer in the thickest part of the meat. And we'll be back when it hits 130. Alright, our tri-tip just hit 130 degrees. We're going to go ahead and take this out. And then we're going to turn up our Pit Boss to 350 so we can open that and sear it. We'll be back when it hits 350. And for the meat, we're just going to leave it here. It's really hot, so it should be fine. This will only take a few minutes to get up to temp, so it should be good. Alright, our Pit Boss is at temp. Open that up. Let's grab this. Put it right in there. So I would say like a minute each side and see how they look after that. So pretty much is under your discretion is how seared you want it. And like I said before, this feature, don't use it very much. It's nice to have, but it sucks because by having this feature of cooking it over the fire, you don't have a heat deflector. Let's see how it looks. It's looking good. Alright guys, this is done. And we're gonna go ahead and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Welcome back guys. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. right, so here we have it. It looks good, smells good. Juices are coming out, so it might be juicy. Looks like it's gonna be juicy, so I'm excited. I love tri-tip, so I'm always happy to do this. I mean, I'm always excited. It's tri-tip. So let's go ahead and give it a cut. Now, if I remember correctly, the grain was going this way. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at just nice. Just a little bit of pink in there. It looks good. It's definitely juicy. Definitely. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that juice in there back and let's taste it. That is amazing. The steak rub, oh man, wow, wow. This is one of my best tri-tips I've done so far. It's just, I think it's perfect. We took it out at 130. We seared it. I'm gonna guess once we seared it, we brought it up to, what, 145? I would say so. And oh my God, this is so good. I think it's perfect. For me, perfect. With this rub, it just has great flavor. I mean, the flavor is there with the steak rub. I mean, the flavor is there. Great flavor. I give this a 10 out of 10. One of my best tri-tips that I've done so far. It's so good. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.